There are a lot of reasons why men cheat on women. And can't give you all of them. I don't give you the main reason. The main reason why men cheat on women today is because women are weak-minded. And when I say weak-minded, it's when a woman let a man do so much hurt and bullshit and take her through hell and hot water. She was allowing this man just basically to fuck her up in the long run, you know what I'm saying? And if you sit here and letting the man do all this, guess what he gonna do? He gonna continue to do all this. He gonna continue to cheat on your ass. He gonna continue to beat your ass because you're allowing him. You don't have no love, no respect for your damn self. So why should he have respect and love for you? You know what I'm saying? Give me a drill. Now, it's two types of women. You have a weak ass woman. You have a strong woman. Most of the strong women are married or got a man. And that man still by their side. And some still cheating, but you know what? Some men, honey, they can't help. You gotta blame their men for how they raise them. But women, stop being so weak-minded. Just like y'all be quick to say, I don't want no weak-ass man. Don't a man want no weak-ass woman. He want a woman that's strong, that's gonna hold her ground. And then gonna hold him down too as well. You know what I'm saying? And then most of y'all lose y'all men because y'all so old-fashioned. A bitch are so quick to talk about, I don't want, my face pretty, I ain't wearing no makeup. Yeah, bitch. And men are so quick to say they want a natural bitch knowledge. As soon as they see a hoe with some makeup and eyebrows on fleek, they run into that hoe. You see what I'm saying? Keep yourself up, women. Stop letting you give it a man 1 month hair, nails done, all this shit, then you slacking. No, keep that shit up. Cause what you ain't doing, her the next bitch just waiting so she can do just exactly what you're not doing. You get my drift? Are you getting me? Yeah. Just like for example, I had this friend, honey, when I house, her man said he gonna knock the fuck out and told her to shut the fuck up. You know what this bitch did? Shut the hell up and sit the fuck down. Me on the other hand, motherfucker said he gonna slap me and tell me shut the fuck up. I'ma say, bitch, who you talking to? Who the fuck are you talking to? I don't think a bitch gonna be slapping around here. There's a hot dog on a hot dog bun eating that motherfucker. You wanna be slapping me? Ain't gonna slap me. Men love women with a little aggression. Don't no man want no weak ass woman. Weak as hell. Then y'all want to get mad when you see a fat, ugly bitch with a bad, sexy ass. Man, you know what? That fat ass bitch got her nails done, her hair done. And you know what? She taking care of her business. She taking care of her children. She taking care of that man. She make sure he eat. She making sure he's going to work. You know what I'm saying? Y'all pretty ass bitches like myself. You know the reason I can't keep no man. I ain't gonna keep it real with myself. Cause bitch, I got a couple issues. Don't a man want no insecure ass woman. And some women can't help be insecure because they've been done so wrong by these stupid ass men. Women, you got to get your mind right. Get your mind right. Stop letting these men take y'all through hard times, baby. And then y'all pass by the motherfuckers that's supposed to be God sent for you. Maybe it was meant for you to be with a fat, bow-legged, cock-eyed, pigeon-toed motherfucker. Maybe that's who God sent for you to be with. I bet his big ass ain't gonna cheat on you either. I bet he gonna be faithful to your ass. And then y'all women, y'all be wanting all this. I want a man with a car, I want a man with a job, bitch, you ain't got no job, no car, no place, shit, so